Hello YouTubers, what's going on? Now, this video is going to be also unconventional. It's going to be on the Shark Navigator upright vacuum. This thing is amazing. Some people might have seen the video of the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled that I made. Anyway, here's a follow-up of that. Anyway, as I said, it's an amazing vacuum. Filter right up front. And the dust cup. And the button right here is to dump the dirt out. And here's the Cyclone filters up here. And here's the hose for it. It is really long. By the way, it's also a flexible hose. I'll go and show you that a little later. Anyway, this is an amazing vacuum. I've used it once before, and I loved it. I'll go ahead and see if I can't get it going. And also, it has a 2-position rocker switch with brush roll on and off. Push it down once, and that's only suction. To push it down again, turns on the brush roll. Also, one thing I failed to mention, that little indicator down there is to show you that, like, if anything gets caught in the brush bar, then it will turn red and the brush roll will automatically shut off to save from getting the motor messed up. Another thing I'd like to point out is that the carpet looks clean to the untrained eye, but it won't unless you look in the dust cup, and you'll see how dirty this thing is. So it's an amazing deep cleaner. It also is called the Navigator because it can go in really tight spots like this. It is small, but not too small. I'll go ahead and show you the plain straight suction part. Just flip it to the 1 position and the brush bar shuts off. Hold on, let me get the cord. It's to save stuff on hard floor. And look, before it even touches, it just sucks right in. It's an amazing. That's why it's really good about being this small. It's an amazing cleaner. Now I'll go ahead and show you the onboard tools and attachments. Let me find a good spot just to show you how long this hose is. Watch. This is how far I can stretch the hose from here. It's really amazing. And if you have to clean it up with the big wand, just do it. Also, it has tools on board. Here's the crevice tool, and put that on. Amazing for getting in tight to reach places. Also in couch crevices. I didn't show you something else. Turning on. Here's its dusting brush. Hold on. You can swivel it back and forth like this. get up spots like here. Oops, let me get the camera angled good. And you angle it like this. And amazing. One more thing about that crevice tool attachment, you can get an optional crevice tool that's longer than the one that comes on board. One more thing, here's its secret attachment. Well, not secret. Anyway, it comes with that in the first place. This is its pet hair turbo brush. And when you hook it up, the whole brush starts to spin. One more thing, how it works, there's a little air turbine in there. It's connected by a little belt to the brush roll, which makes it turn. It's suction powered, by the way. No good. Let me show it to you up close and personal when I hook it in. Like that. It's amazing for cleaning couches that have pet hair on it. Alright, now let's see if I can hook it back on. Sorry, it's been a little hard to do just to get past the cord. Because I personally like keeping it on that rack. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and shut it down here. Well, hope you all enjoyed the video of the Shark Navigator. Sure, stay tuned. There'll be a lot more where that came from. Take care, guys.